TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Datagram Protocol, are two core protocols of the transport layer of the OSI and TCP/IP models. Both are responsible for end-to-end communication between applications, but they differ significantly in terms of reliability, speed, and use cases. Understanding the difference between TCP and UDP is essential for designing efficient and reliable network systems. They manage end-to-end communication between applications, but they work in very different ways. TCP focuses on reliability, while UDP focuses on speed. Let's understand the difference. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. It is a reliable, connection-oriented transport protocol that ensures accurate and ordered data delivery. It uses control mechanisms to guarantee data correctness, which makes it slower but dependable. TCP ensures reliable delivery, correct packet order, and error checking. Because of these mechanisms, TCP is slower but very reliable. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is a connectionless protocol, meaning data is sent without establishing a connection. UDP does not guarantee delivery or order, but it is extremely fast and lightweight. That makes UDP perfect for real-time applications. Here are the main differences. TCP uses a three-way handshake to establish connections. UDP sends data without any handshake. TCP provides acknowledgements and retransmissions. UDP provides no delivery guarantees. TCP ensures ordered packets. UDP sends packets independently. TCP has higher overhead, with header sizes between 20 and 60 bytes. UDP has a small fixed header of only 8 bytes, making it faster. TCP focuses on accuracy, while UDP focuses on speed. TCP is used by applications like HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SMTP. UDP is used by DNS, DHCP, VoIP, online streaming. In simple terms, TCP equals reliable but slower. UDP equals fast but unreliable. Understanding this difference is essential for network engineers and CCNA learners. Subscribe to BMS Tech Idea for more networking concepts.